Hello everyone, this is Shazad and you are watching Shazad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Apple Pay not working on iPhone. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. If Apple Pay is not working, there are a few things you can try to fix it. First is check that the vendor accepts Apple Pay. Not all stores and businesses accept Apple Pay, so it's important to check before you try to use it. You can easily see a contactless payment symbol such as the Apple Pay logo near the checkout counter. So solution number 2 is try a different card. If you have multiple cards added to Apple Wallet, try using a different one. It's possible that there is a problem with your current card, such as insufficient funds or a block account. Solution number 3 is restart your device. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that may be causing Apple Pay not work. So for restarting your iPhone, tap on Settings app. Wait for a few seconds until the Settings app is open. Now you can see that general, tap on it and scroll down, and now you can see shutdown, tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be turned off. After a few seconds, turn it on to fix your problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another solution is check for updates. Make sure that you are running the latest version of iOS, watchOS or macOS. Apple releases updates regularly to fix bugs and improve performance. So for checking updates, tap on Settings. Here you can tap on General, and now you can simply tap on Software Update to check software updates. Checking for updates. So guys, if you have any pending update, download and install it to fix your problem. So guys, if this solution is not working, then we move to another is remove and re-add your card. If you are still having problems, try removing your card from Apple Wallet and then adding it back in. This can help to refresh the connection between your card and Apple Pay. So simply tap on Wallet. Here you can see that, tap on it, and you can see setup. Here you can set up your card. Firstly you can remove and add, then go back and fix your problem. So if the solution is not working, then we move to sixth solution. Solution is contact your bank or card issuer. If you have tried all of the above and Apple Pay is still not working, contact your bank or card issuer to see if they can help. They may be able to troubleshoot the issue or let you know if there are any nose problem with Apple Pay. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.